First of all, open your Exodus app, set your password. Alright, this is what the interface look like. Click here, and then you go to settings. These are various cryptocurrency you can find in your Exodus wallet. You can turn on your favorite crypto. So now you enter settings, turn on your sound, your notification, go to settings and accept your notification. You can have more than one or two portfolio. Select currency, and that is it. Now you go back to security. Okay, here you can secure password and your touch ID. This password will secure your app. Then you click on backup. When you click on backup, it will take you to your 12 secret code. Click on view secret phrase, and your secret phrase interface will be displayed.